Hello guys, welcome to this new video on Python, and in this video we are going to see how you can print a star D pattern in Python. So firstly we'll convert this star of D into the form of matrix so that you can understand what you need to do in your Python code. So to print a star D, we have a total number of 7 rows and 7 columns, and we actually need stars at column number 0. So on this column number we need a full line of stars. Then we need stars at column number 6, which will exclude this part and this part, and we need stars at row number 0, and we need stars at row number 6. Now when you are printing this line in your for loop, you should keep conditions which will exclude this part for spaces. So it should not print stars at this location except all the other location on the respective rows and columns. So let's write the program for printing this D pattern. Now to replicate every row and every column, we will be using two for loops. So we write for the row first, that is the row is in range of 7. Then the column is in range of 7 again. Then we write the if and else condition for the positions where we need star. So we write if the column is equal to 0 or the column is equal to 6 or the row is equal to 0 or the row is equal to 6. So at these positions we actually need stars, and we'll put the precise condition after we get the generic picture of star. So we write like print, then for printing stars we have star, and we need stars one after the other, so we have an attribute end here. So we end it, and in the else condition we print that if the star is not printed, we will go for printing the space. So we write end So let's run this thing and let's see what kind of pattern we are getting. So we are getting this such kind of pattern. Now this doesn't look like D itself because we are getting an additional star here and here. So if we remove the stars, it will look like a D shaped alphabet. So for that we need to add some more conditions in our program. So we will do that. So on the column number 6 we need to put conditions for the row where we don't need the stars. So we write for column number 6 specifically first, and row is not equal to 0 and row is not equal to 6. So that's done for the column part. We'll go for the row part. So in the row part we have already written that the row is equal to 0 and row is equal to 6, but since we have written the condition here, so we don't want that the columns condition get overwritten by the row condition. So for that we add and column is greater than 0 and column is less than 6. So this was for the row part. So we just close this using brackets so that you can understand it properly. So now if we try to run the code, so we get the exact D kind of structure of stars. So this was all about this video on how to print a star D pattern in Python. And if you have any doubts regarding this condition that I have written, feel free to write in the comment section. I'll definitely try to reply to them. The next video will see how you can print a star E pattern. If you like my work, please do hit the like, share and subscribe button.